Welcome. If you use Telegram on your PC and want a quick way to see how many messages you haven't read yet, you're in the right place. Today we'll walk through how to enable the new Count Unread Messages feature on Telegram's latest update. It's simple, it's fast, and it helps you stay on top of your chats with no missed messages. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. You'll see your chat list and the familiar blue interface. Look to the top left corner of your screen. There's a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. Inside this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where Telegram lets you personalize your experience, from privacy options to notification styles. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you about new messages and updates. Now, look for the option called Count Unread Messages. This is the feature that displays the total number of unread chats right next to your Telegram icon or in your chat list. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Count Unread Messages. Once it's turned on, Telegram will automatically start showing the number of unread messages you have. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference, especially if you manage multiple chats or use Telegram for work and group discussions.